Okay guys, this is totally awesome. It is sunny outside right now, but there is a huge thunderstorm coming. Do you hear that? This is awesome. This is the type of weather I like. It is cloudy on this side and sunny as hell on this side. I mean, I can go to the front of the house and it'd be completely sunny. You'd never know unless you heard the thunder. Watch. See? You'd never know. So this is really cool. This is like what I like to call Florida weather, because this is exactly what happens in Florida. This usually never happens in New York. Oh man, I almost missed that. Damn it. There was just a huge bolt of lightning down there. Wow. I'm getting under the awning because that is close enough to hit me if something like that happened over here. This is amazing though. This is really cool. I mean, yeah. Let's see if I can catch any more lightning. Now the sun just got covered up on this side. It's just starting to fade, but it is going to downpour. It was no doubt sunny about 5 minutes ago. Wow. Whoa! I got that. Alright. Wow. Alright. I'm gonna go inside. Okay, that's enough of that. It's time to go inside because now it's just getting dangerous being outside this long. Wow. Alright. Bye guys.